Hey, what's up, everyone? This is crist.hendrix. I'm back with another video trying to analyze the market,
It's easier. Yeah, I'm dreaming about life. Thinking.
Today we'll be looking at Jpyzar, and yeah, let me take it from the daily and see what's happening. Okay, oops. I don't really like, drawing big ass structures going back, way back in the price, but people should be, looking at something like this, but that is not our focus right now. We're gonna scale it down to the 4-hour time frame, and that is where I'm trying to be, at the current price. And what I see is, an ascending structure screaming for a sell. I'll have something like this. I have something like this. I'm not gonna extend my trend line all the way crossing the price because it doesn't really look neat. So I'm just gonna end it right here, right before the price. And as you can see, we have our 1, 2, 3 structure. It all makes sense. Confluence. Okay, and let's look at the flag that has formed. Because as you can see, the market really broke our structure. It broke through our structure and it created this flag, or let me just try to highlight it for those who are not trying to get the visual explanation and detail. But this is the flag that I'm referring to, and it happened right below or right outside our structure that it broke. So it's a good sign. It should be telling us to consider selling. So I'll have something like this. The gaps and stuff. So you can okay, when you're dealing with a price that has so many gaps, and the gaps are just getting into your way of just analyzing, you can use the line graph to avoid mistakes. But this is what I'm looking at. It's a decent flag. It's flat at the bottom. It's a good sign, and it's not steep. It's not vertical in any way. It's literally horizontal, staying flat. It's a good sign. So let me just go back to my traditional chart, which is the candlestick chart. And as you can see, we have our 1, 2, 3 structure here within the flag, which means okay, let me just delete this. Dude, I didn't prepare for this fucking video, so it's really off the top of my head, and don't mind the mistakes and stuff. It's 4 a.m. in the morning. But here's my setup, and I feel confident about this one, but I will still keep the risk management, because you really need to protect your account, whether you feel so confident or so good about your setup or not. You should always keep your accounts protected. But this is what I see with the Japanese yen against the South African rand. It's a decent pip. It's a few pips. Okay, it's a lot of pips to the downside, like a lot. It's 4% when you put your take profit at the 90% rule, but I'm not gonna draw that, but everyone should know that. But yeah, you can even take your set your targets at like 50%, 70%, if you're not trying to swing for that long. But this is the setup for Japanese yen against South African ZAR or the rand. So yeah, that is it. Catch me on the next video. Make sure you subscribe, hit the like button, and you can even like switch on your push notifications on, like whenever we post screenshots of what we will analyze. Like we literally post those immediately when we take them, so you can follow us in real time, just following our trades and setups and stuff. So you can do that, and yeah, catch you on the next video.
Ask me, yeah, I'm dreaming about